The 11th run batted in on the season for Battipaglia. 1-0 in the air to left field. A high fly ball. You can forget about this one. Correction, not his third. This one blasted in the air. Well, the line down left field wide open. Line down the left field line and
game tonight. The 2-1 to Vogel is ripped into left field. That's a base hit.
the 2-2 pitch. Yes, in the air towards left field, carrying under it is Hex, tagging Battipaglia. Here comes the throw, not in time. Vogel walks it off.
Hit, but Ryan Vogel said no way, soars like Superman and brings that one in.
Right.